All right, so when we want to make a new project, we'll actually have to select the different types of websites that we want to submit to. So I've gone ahead and clicked and selected the websites that I'd like you guys to follow along and create your campaigns with. I've actually gone ahead and skipped some of the riskier, more spammy categories. So all of these are good. They will provide a good backlink. And once we've selected that, the project is going to want some information from us. So the first thing you'll have to do here is put in your URL. So I put in a little test URL there. I just put google.com, but here's where you'd like to put the URL that you want to generate links to. So here, of course, we put our keywords, and I've actually separated them by a comma. So you can put multiple keywords in here, and it's going to go ahead and alternate them. So I've gone ahead and put the same thing of my keywords as my anchor text. You can leave everything else blank, and we'll go down. For image comment, when it posts on an image, it has these pre-set comments in here. So I went ahead and erased all of those, and I want it to just put our backlink there. Again, here I've taken out the generic guest posting. You can put a little bit of information here, but more or less I do want them to leave a backlink in that comment as well. Okay, now here's the description part. You need a little bit of content. So I've gone ahead and gone to ChatGPT, and we can just try to get a little bit of content from there. So we can go ahead, copy this, go over to our software, and paste that in. Let's go ahead and move on here. Forum comments, again, the same process. We're going to go ahead and put in our backlink here. Guest post comments, go ahead and do the exact same thing as you did here. So we can post our guest post comment in the German, the exact same. Blog comments here. You can go wow, or you can go great site, love this. Or you can go ahead and just put in something like this, right? Okay, here, so micro message, it's already got a variable here that's going to represent the URL, so you don't need to do anything here. Here's another description, so we're going to go ahead and get our content. Okie doke. And fill that in. Hit OK. And that is it. We are done. We are good to go. So those are all the required fields when doing a search engine ranker project file. So that is the first initial setup. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.